Hello everyone, I'm Shreshtha, a student of finance and a model by profession. I have started the Invisalign journey and it has been more than a year. I started this journey because I want to get a aligned and beautiful smile because I have always been insecure of my unaligned smile, and now I'm on the verge of completion and I am quite satisfied with the results I have obtained, and now I'm excited to see the complete transformation. And it's just 3 months that I'm going to complete the journey, and I'm super excited. And yes, the journey has been quite worth, and also it has been a test of my patience, but overall it was an amazing journey, and I'm waiting for 3 more months to get over to get the smile I've always wanted. Thank you.
So, as a model, how important is your smile to you?
It's very important. It's a very crucial part of my job because, like, when I'm giving expressions, I have to give a lot of expressions. It could be smiling or some active type, any type of expression, and the flow of my expression gets disturbed if I'm not comfortable with my smile. So yeah, having a beautiful and aligned teeth is very important.
You have done modeling, and so you were there with the other people who are in the same profession. Do you still feel insecure when a close-up shot is taken for you?
Not really.
Okay. And like, did your people know about this, that you're getting the treatment done?
Yes, many of them know this.
Okay, they noticed the smile, but what about the transparency? And when was it uncomfortable for you when you took it out? When you're out, you have to take it in a napkin.
No, it was not at all uncomfortable. The process of Invisalign is very easy and suitable for me.
Did you feel awkward while taking it out?
Yes, so I don't do that in front of people. I go to the washroom or to the changing room and do this.
So whoever is looking,
many people even think that I have completed my thing. But no, I am 3 months left.
Are you wearing it now?
No, I've moved it.
Okay, you are not wearing it. Okay. So do you feel that you are not able to talk properly when you had that in your mouth?
No, it was very comfortable to talk.
Would you suggest anybody who is in this profession, they should go for it?
Of course.
Go for it or no for it?
Of course, there are many in this profession. I would want them to go for it to get that perfect aligned smile, which is very important. Because I've seen many people are there who are also insecure of their smile and to flash their smile in front of the camera. So this is the Invisaligners. These are absolutely transparent and invisible, and I'm grateful and thankful that I did not have to go through that metallic thing. So yeah, so I'm gonna wear it now.